So hey, what's up folks, Pandy is back here and this would be a short unboxing video of firebolt paste which I ordered from Amazon and before 2 days, and this was actually an exchange box because the first one was having some defects and didn't record any video of that. So let's unbox this thing. This is smartwatch by Firebolt. Okay, so this is the box. So this is the watch, firebolt beast. It went for about 4,000 rupees. Okay, so this is the firebolt beast. Let's unbox this thing. So guys, while I was unboxing this thing, I was cutting this strap. My phone got overhit and yes, it just stopped recording. So I didn't unbox it, I just cut this thing, and this is the wrap. So we're gonna remove this thing out, and yeah, this is the marvelous exciting firebolt beast. They're saying that industry's largest display smartwatch. So the 43 case and 1.69, so 1.7-inch screen, HD color, full touch screen with rotating button with SPO2. We'll see that thing. So this is the watch you're getting. Let me remove this out. This is actually very heavy than that of a Misfit GTS 2. That's 31 grams. So this is the thing. Okay, so we are getting a charging cable, maybe yes, magnetic. So this will connect it over here. These are the sensors of the watch. It is also having SPO2 all day. It's a manual. And what's this? Okay, we are getting some premium subscriptions like Z5, Ghana. This is a register, firebolt registry. Okay, so this, thank you. Sorry, thank you. This is the manual itself, pretty big. You can see it. We don't need this. Yes, this is the charging cable. This is the watch. It's having this film. Let me remove this thing out. What the fuck, it directly went out here. Okay, so this is the massive screen, 1.7-inch screen. This is the watch. This thing looks like a copy of GTS, a Misfit GTS. Okay, let me power this on and show you some interface in the screen. Good haptic feedback. Firebolt. Oh wow, that's wonderful screen. Let me increase the brightness. Oh, very good interface. Let me bump it to max. Nice toggles. So it is having low battery, so I would need to charge this thing. And these are the watch faces. Okay, this, okay, very good. Okay, quick toggles, and this is actually rotatory. Okay, you can rotate this tab. Absolute copy of Apple's iWatch. Okay, this is back function. So menu, how to go to, okay, this is, oh wow. So I'm rotating this dial and it's going up and down. Let's see the settings: stopwatch, alarm, countdown, brightness, vibration, theta, reset, power. Okay, cool. Cool. So it is also having SPO2. Oh, good one. Let's see whether it checks. Like focus hunting का issue आ रहा है इधर. Let's see whether it is SPO2 ऐसे ही देता है या नहीं. देखते हैं. हाँ 98. So SPO2 is bummer here. SPO2 total bummer. इसका BP देखते हैं. BP का भी चक्कर ऐसे ही है क्या? तो अभी ट्रैकिंग चालू है. पूरा बमर है यार ये. पूरा बमर. स्टिल ट्रैकिंग. ये भी बमर है. अबे हार्ट रेट तो देखते हैं यार. मैं इधर ही रख देता हूँ. देख सकते हो हार्ट रेट आता है कि नहीं. तो ये कपड़े का हार्ट रेट ले रहा है. अभी ट्रैकिंग कर रहा है. अरे यार 78 आ गया. चलो 78 कपड़े का आ गया. ये बमर वॉच है. ओके. सो जस्ट फॉर स्टाइलिंग के लिए अच्छा है. स्क्रीन भी एकदम गुड क्वालिटी. एंड दिस रोटेटिंग डायल. स्लीप भी है इसमें. रेस्टफुल एंड लाइट स्लीप. ओके गुड. सिर्फ ये अच्छा है. ये रोटेटिंग डायल है ना. ये सीन अच्छा है बस. बाकी ये टॉगल दिया है. ये भी अच्छा है. ओके. सो या दैट्स इट्स फॉर टुडे गाइस. इसका मैं रिव्यू लाता हूँ. क्या ट्रैकिंग तो इसका आपने देख लिया. पंक्चर ट्रैकिंग है इसका. लेकिन ये आई जस्ट वांटेड टू चेक दिस फायरबोल्ट न्यू कंपनी. सो या ये बमर कंपनी है. पूरा कॉपी निकालता है. कुछ ट्रैकिंग मेकिंग का सीन नहीं है. और मेरा आवाज़ जरा सा आपको डबट लगेगा क्योंकि मैं सिक हूँ. कोल्ड एंड कफ. बट आई वांटेड टू डू दिस अनबॉक्सिंग एंड या दिस इज़ द अनबॉक्सिंग. ओके. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग गाइस. सी यू. बाय.